AI Faceless List Builder review. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Build income without ever showing your face. Yes, you heard it right, with the help of the AI Faceless List Builder. Stick around for exclusive bonuses worth more than $15,000. So, what exactly is the AI Faceless List Builder? It's not another guru course full of hype. It's a step-by-step system that helps you quietly build an email list, set up a funnel, and generate affiliate commissions, all without showing your face online. It's designed for beginners and burned-out marketers who want a sustainable business model that works even if you hate being in the spotlight. Let's see some key features of the AI Faceless List Builder. First is done-for-you funnel templates that eliminate tech overwhelm, AI-powered prompts for lead magnets, emails, and traffic posts, step-by-step roadmap for faceless affiliate marketing success, pre-written email campaigns that convert consistently, beginner-friendly traffic strategies without relying on social media presence. Now, let's see the OTOs of AI Faceless List Builder. First, we have already seen the AI Faceless List Builder front end. To check all the OTOs, check the link in the description. The first OTO is Faceless DFY Campaign Vault. 30 ready-made lead magnets with AI-powered email sequences and simple setup instructions, giving faceless affiliate marketers a fast, stress-free way to launch and grow. Second OTO is the Faceless Traffic Domination System, a complete faceless traffic system with AI prompts and beginner-friendly strategies to consistently grow your list, fuel your funnel, and boost affiliate income daily. Third OTO is Faceless Funnel Mastermind, 6 months group coaching and Leaderboard Accelerator, a premium mastermind with coaching, campaign reviews, exclusive GPT bots, and peer support to help you implement faster, optimize strategies, and scale affiliate success. No visibility required. Lastly, the fourth OTO is Faceless Vault Pro, monthly content Vault Pro updates. A monthly vault of done-for-you tools, templates, and AI assets, swipes, lead magnets, bots, and content ideas, helping faceless affiliate marketers scale faster, stay consistent, and never run out of campaigns. It is a low one-time offer. Also, they have a money-back guarantee, so if this tool doesn't work for you, you can return it to the developer. So it's totally risk-free. Take advantage of this amazing opportunity. If you want to check out the AI Faceless List Builder at any point, go ahead and click the link in the description. Now, here are exclusive bonuses that you will receive from the vendor himself. These are other than my own bonuses. Also, here are the extra bonuses worth more than $8,000 that you'll be getting from my end if you decide to purchase it from the link given in the description below. Now's the time to stop spinning your wheels and start building something real. The AI Faceless List Builder gives you everything: prompts, funnels, templates, and a roadmap to finally create a business that works for you. Grab your copy today, take control of your marketing, and see how much easier affiliate success feels when the system does the heavy lifting. Don't wait. The opportunity is right here, right now.